Looking for a unique dining experience with a stunning view? Look no further than NZ Curry House. Nestled in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, enjoy delicious Malaysian and Indian cuisine while being mesmerized by the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. Our restaurant offers a casual and comfortable atmosphere, perfect for a relaxed meal with friends and family. Satisfy your cravings for authentic Malaysian and Indian dishes at NZ Curry House. Our restaurant is conveniently located near the Petronas Twin Towers, offering a prime location for a delicious meal. Savor our flavorful curries, aromatic biryanis, and other local favorites while taking in the breathtaking city skyline. Discover a hidden gem in the heart of Kuala Lumpur's Chinatown. Jalan Petaling offers a delightful breakfast experience, surrounded by colorful murals depicting scenes of everyday life in our city. Our menu features a variety of delicious options, including kaya toast, nasi lemak, and Western breakfast favorites. Pair your meal with our freshly brewed coffee or refreshing juices. With its cozy and inviting atmosphere, affordable prices, and stunning murals, Jalan Petaling is the perfect place to start your day.